Hello, I'm Barb, Master Graphics. Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays with Master Graphics. I am actually wanting to talk to you today about the Figure 4. The Figure 4 is a DLP system by 3D Systems, and it's the first scalable 3D printer that's ultra fast, up to 15 times improved printing over the competition, with 20% less cost in part. Notice it's scalable. You can go from 1 unit to a modular unit, scaling up to full factory, being able to produce thousands of parts. But the biggest thing I want to talk about is a wide variety of materials you get with this. First of all, you get everything from a rubber-like to rigid to high temp all the way up to 300C. And I just want to show you a couple of these parts. Let's talk about this bumper plug here. Hopefully you can see this pretty well, but the bumper plug really does allow you to print a flexible like material. So this bumper plug actually took a total of 6 minutes and at $1.60 per part. I want to show you this electronic slider. This comes apart. Notice the fine detail. This particular slider that fits accurately and seamlessly actually ended up taking, both parts actually ended up taking a total of 13 minutes at about $2.10. This is what I call impressive. This is what I call my 3-minute pen. So I'm actually printed this pen in 3 minutes, and the cost of this pen was right around $2. Fascinating, huh? When you like to be able to build your pens. This is probably the most exciting piece. You can do digital texturing with this printer, something that is almost impossible to do with other printers. This particular part actually took me about 6 seconds to print, or excuse me, 20 seconds to print, and it took me about a cost of 15 cents. That's all for 2-Minute Tuesday. Stay tuned for more.